everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another new box for you and it is called 3BIRDSSOAP. I know, what a unique name for what I'm hoping is a unique box and what I also call a smell goods box because, well, my grandkids aren't here so they can't steal my soap because they're constantly stealing my soap. So I had to wait until they ran away and went home and they can't steal my soap this time. So if they're watching this video, close your ears and don't listen. So let's see what we got in this box. But first, a few details. This is handmade artistic soap and body care products, and it is $18 a month. And that is a monthly signature surprise soap box for $18 a month. And then you can get an every 2-month signature surprise soap box for $19. Or you can get a monthly themed box for $36 a month, or you can get a quarterly season box for $67.50. So there's quite a few boxes to choose from. And it says, surprise yourself every month with new creations. Our soap boxes are made in small batches in New York City and delivered to your home with the utmost care. We love to surprise you each month with seasonal scents, gorgeous colors, and high-quality ingredients your skin will love. Ditch the plastic and upgrade your skincare. It says artisan-made natural soaps, food-based balms, customized skin lotion, shampoo and facial bars, and bath products. I am going to love this box. I just know it. I can't stand putting anything on my skin that has been so over-processed or has plastic in it, or just, I can't stand over-processed bath products. I can't stand it anymore. I'm getting too old for all that stuff. So let's see what's in this box because I need to know what smells so doggone good in this box. Okay, let's open it. Oh, you want to see the box, don't you? I'm so excited. Sorry. Cute little box. Okay. There we go. That's what it looks like on the inside. Isn't that just so stinking cute? Oh, so cute. A little birdie says, we have subscription services now. Don't miss out on our holiday boxes. We recommend reserving them early. Oh, okay. All right. Enjoy our debut box from September 2019. Oh, it's so cute. She included an extra soap for me. For the little grandchildren that keep stealing my smell goods. Okay, so we're going to open this up. Let's see what we have. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Look at all those little beauties in there. Just beautifuls, beautifuls. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see here. Okay. It smells amazing. I just can't with this soap. It is just, oh my goodness gracious, amazing. Oh, okay, let's get in here. Okay. Now, the first one, this is beautiful. Galactic Skies Vegan Candle. Isn't that just the most beautiful presentation you've ever seen in your lifetime? Oh, I can't. Oh. Oh, that smells like my husband's cologne. That smells so amazing. And look at the glitter of it all. Oh, I cannot believe the smell coming from this candle. Oh my goodness, that smells, it smells like my husband. That smells amazing. What is the smell? Moonchild is the smell of, must be that smells so stinking amazing. Oh, I can't stand it. Okay, and now there's a bath bomb. It's called Enchanted. Oh, that smells like Fruit Loops. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. I wish we had smell-o-vision, you guys, because you guys would be like, I'm coming over there. I'm coming over. Universe hand soap. Scented in Love Spell. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Well, here it is. I'm going to unwrap it because you guys would not even believe the image on the other side. It is absolutely crazy. I think you can see it. That is amazing. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh. I could sit here and smell this all day long. Oh, that smells so good. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, here's a hand soap. Scented in Night Violet. Oh, that's beautiful. It says, going back to basics, many popular store-bought soaps are actually detergent with moisturizers. Ew. Moisturizers, chemicals, and stabilizers added, produced in mass machines and shipped overseas. Liquid soap is not much better. It is much more expensive, tends to be similar in makeup, and the first ingredient, by and large, is water. Liquid soap also contributed tremendously to waste and landfills. Have you ever read the back of your soap label? It is shocking what even natural soap companies try to get away with and do get away with. I have never actually read the back of my soap label. I'm going to now. But here is hand soap scented in Night Violet. And look at that. This is a very good size hand soap. That is beautiful. Beautiful. I love this soap. So beautiful. And it smells even more amazing. I am floored. Oh. Starry September Night Body Soap made with coconut oil, mango butter, shea butter, olive oil, castor seed oil, fragrance oil, and oatmeal. And this is a beautiful bar of soap. And it has their stamp on it. That is so pretty. Look at the top. Oh. That is so pretty. It smells just, I can't even describe the smell. Starry September night, and it just smells. Oh, look at it. It says date of birth, B.O.B. That is so cute. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, look, I have like a little gem in here. Oh, hand soap crystal scented in energy. That's so cute. Oh, that is like, energy is like a really good name for it. It's, wow. That smells so good. Oh my God, this whole box is just like super eye-opening and amazing. And I have 4 samples in here. Let's see what we have in here. Exclusive, an exclusive scent sneak peek from our fall collection, available in our subscription box. And this one is dark chocolate orange truffle. They send you little samples of what the next soaps are going to be in the next boxes. And I have 4 of them. This is dark chocolate. Oh my God, I could eat that. Orange truffle. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That smells like a chocolate bar. And you get the orange in there, but it smells like a chocolate bar. That is absolutely amazing smell, and it's just like a little star. That's crazy amazing. And then we have a sneak peek of September Stars collection available in our subscription. And this is Galactic Skies. There's this cute little lavender star. Let's smell this one. That smells so good. That smells like a man could use that. That smells really good too. Oh, I think my husband would like that smell. That smells super crazy amazing. And this one is Day of the Dead. Another little star. Day of the Dead. I wonder if they're going to do like a Halloween themed one. I need to order this box. That smells so crazy. Oh my goodness. I need to... That is so amazing. I need to take that out for you guys and show you. It's just a little tiny soap. But it is... That is... Oh. I need to drive to their store. I need to drive to their store. I live in New York. I need to drive to their store because I need to go there. I probably would walk out of there broke because I would buy like one of everything. Because I would. I honestly would. And this one is Pumpkin Brulee. Oh, I know it already. I can already... Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, it is like shaped like a little pie. That smells so good. I want to have pumpkin pie now. Oh my goodness. This whole box was crazy amazing. I love it. I love it. I need to click the I'm subscribing button right now because this box smells so good. I have so much soap supplies, but now this is crazy amazing smells. When I tell you that these smells are so realistic, like I want to eat this box. That's how good it smells. Amazing, just amazing. You guys need to get this box in your life. You know me, I'm not going to tell you something smells good if it don't smell good. And this smells like so close to the actual creme brulee. Come on. Pumpkin brulee. I would eat that if I knew it wasn't soap. I would eat that pumpkin brulee. I honestly would. And I really think like this is my husband's cologne. It reminds me of my husband. I can't even stress enough how wonderful smelling this box is. And if the soap is as amazing as the smell is, I'm subscribing. I would pay for this box. Absolutely, unequivocally, I would pay for this box in a New York minute. Pun intended. I'm from New York. They make it in New York. I definitely love this box. Thank you for sending me this box. I love it, and I am so sorry that it took me so long to make this video, but thank you so much for sending it to me. I could cry. It is so wonderful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amazing. Hands down, best box I have ever opened as far as soaps go. Amazing. Thank you. So, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down there somewhere. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. And don't forget to check out this box because, well, everybody needs to stay clean. And why not smell good doing it? All right, I'll see you next time. Bye now.